How to make everyone can tag you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can tag you on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile and click the storylines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and now click privacy and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and here you will f- you will find it like that. Just click everyone and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make everyone can tag you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.